Hi, today we're going to replace the thermistor on a Superthaw. First thing you do is remove the 5 small black feet from the bottom of the Superthaw. Then using a Posi 2 or Phillips 2 screwdriver, remove the 5 screws. You can use an electric screwdriver for this, but for the video we are using a normal screwdriver. Then remove the base. It should just tap out. If not, get a small pair of pliers and grip one of the feet and it should lift out. Thermistor is the center terminal on the PCB. The wire could be black or it could be white. In this circumstance it is white. Take your new thermistor, which should be a new blue thermistor, which has got a longer tail on it and it's a bigger device with a glass bead thermistor inside, which is more robust. Push it down through the black epoxy. You'll see some white compound seeping through. Just get a bit of tissue and remove this. You don't have to reseal the epoxy. Then you put the 2 wires of the thermistor back onto the PCB into the terminals using just a small screwdriver to tighten them up. Don't over tighten them. It's also useful to hold on to the terminal block with your finger and thumb just to stop it twisting. Otherwise you may damage the PCB track. This does happen. Don't over tighten the screws. The pillars are just made of plastic, and if you over tighten them, then you'll remove the inside of the plastic. So do not over tighten them. The kit contains 5 new rubber feet. These are self-adhesive. You could reuse the old ones, but new ones are better. So they just peel off. Push them over your fingers. Push them down as hard as you can. And turning it over and press it firmly against the table to make sure the feet are fully attached. Now plug your unit in and test the temperature by filling it with water